In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. Gantt charts are invaluable tools for project management, giving you a clear visual of your timelines, tasks, and deadlines. Using Lucidchart makes this process incredibly straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Start by heading over to the Lucidchart homepage. From there, you'll want to click on New to begin creating a new document. This is your starting point for putting the powerful features of Lucidchart to work. As you hover over Lucidchart, you'll notice an option to create from template. Go ahead and click on that. This option is quite handy because it offers you a quick way to get up and running with various types of charts, diagrams, and more. Now, you're going to see a list of available templates. However, since we're focused on creating a Gantt chart, let's use the search bar to type in Gantt chart. This approach will streamline your search and quickly bring up the exact template you need. Once you've typed Gantt chart into the search field, you'll see a variety of options pop up related to Gantt charts. Choose the template that suits your needs best, but for simplicity, let's click on the Simple Gantt chart. After selecting the Simple Gantt chart, you'll need to click on the Use Template option. This action populates your workspace with the template, making it ready for customization. Lucidchart provides a user-friendly interface that's both flexible and efficient, allowing you to tailor your chart to fit your unique project requirements. With your template open, the next step is customization. You can easily add text to your chart by clicking on any section that allows text input. This might include adding task names, deadlines, or specific notes related to each task. Furthermore, don't hesitate to make use of sticky notes and shapes to further organize and emphasize important elements within your project timeline. In addition to text and shapes, you can change the project name to reflect the specific project you're working on. Simply click on the text field containing the current project name and enter your desired text. Lucidchart's tools are designed to be intuitive, so you can make any necessary edits until your chart perfectly aligns with your project's needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. Whether you're managing a small task or overseeing a large project, this chart will serve as a reliable guide for you and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to create effective project timelines with ease.